Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by NASDAQ. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is November 3rd, 2015. Something I'm going to show you today is a little bit off the beaten path, a little bit different. But as you all know, the markets have been rallying as of late. But there's one sector or technology group that I'm seeing that still looks very, very weak on the charts, and that is the disk drive makers. And the stock I'm going to show you now is Western Digital. They are a leading disk drive maker. And you're going to see here is a bearish pattern on the chart. Now, if you take a look at, say, a weekly chart, you're going to see that the stock is down significantly from its late 2014 and even 2015 peaks, which were above $100 a share. Now the stock is trading around $66, but the stock still has lower to go in the cards. And let me show you what I mean by that. If you just take a look at, say, the daily chart of the S&P 500, you're going to see that this has been off to the races really ever since the end of September, which was right around September 29th, September 30th. The market has just soared and roared right back up towards its old highs. However, when you take a look at a stock like Western Digital, ticker symbol WDC, you're going to see that this is at the lows and really cannot get anything going. That tells me this is a stock that could go another 10 points lower before it finds some stability. And let me show you what I'm looking at here. If you take a look at, say, a weekly chart, which is something we like to do, you're going to see that price bounced off this 200-week moving average, and now it has closed last week below it. And it also closed below this green bar low. That tells us the stock is in a weak technical position. It is in a downtrend, and it has no relative strength to the overall market. That tells me the stock wants to go lower. So when I look at, say, a monthly chart, which is what I'm going to do now, that tells me the breakout occurred right around 60, and the prior bar before the breakout was around $54. So all in all, if I were to give you an estimate of where I think this stock is going to go, it would be somewhere down around $56, $57. So if you're looking to get into Western Digital, don't do it now. This stock is showing no relative strength, and it tells us it wants to go lower. I know a lot of traders are going to make a lot out of the 50-month moving average here, but believe it or not, we already had a bounce above there. Now we close down. This is a stock that ultimately is headed down to around 57 bucks. So be very, very careful. You know, another disk drive maker out here is Seagate STX, and what you're going to see here is that this one is into a little bit of support, but the reality of it is this stock could even go a little bit lower. I would not rule this out going to around $35 or a pierce of $35. I think that's where this stock wants to go now. But it is getting a little bit of a short-term bounce this month, so we want to give it, at least we want to respect it. But either way, both stocks look very, very weak. And like I said, if Western Digital goes a lot lower, Seagate will follow. And Western Digital looks like it wants to go another 10 points lower. So again, if you want to trade stocks like this or you want to know about things like this, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see everything that we're doing there. You get all of our cycle work. You get all of our nightly analysis videos. You get all of our trade setups. And you also get our No Hype Live broadcast, which allow you to come in and ask us questions personally about any stocks or anything that you want to look at market related. So with that being said, everybody, I'm going to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.